Hello, marhaba and assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to a new episode of Invest in High-End Projects with your investment guide Adil Sami. Why I believe this project Yadimavi is among the high-end projects in Istanbul because of the three reasons. The first is the location, like always. Just beside us we have Fishekhane, one of the finest places, one of the high-end projects, one of the high-end locations in Istanbul. In front of me again we have the Marmara Sea we are talking about in Zeytinburnu, heart of Zeytinburnu. The second is the exclusivity. We have at the moment 200 available units starting from 2 bedrooms, 3, 4, 5. And if we are talking about the third reason, the pricing starting from $1 million up to $3 million. So I believe these three reasons make this project as a high-end project in Istanbul. So my lovely investors, before moving forward and talking about why you should invest here, what is the location, let's have a moment and let's enjoy this view. All those investors, people ask me from around the world, Mr. Adil Sami, we see the future of Turkey is really dark. Unfortunately, what I see is all brightness. It's all, a brighter future of Turkey. Look at these oil tankers in our Marmara Sea. Either they are coming from Russia, or either they are going towards Russia and all over the world. This is what the future of Turkey is, honestly speaking. This is our first why. The location of our project is remarkable. Next, on the face of Marmara Sea, in the Zeytinburnu. Second why you should invest here. Our project is ready. It's under 20 to 30% under the market price. You can have the citizenship, you can have the position, everything is ready. And it is a semi-government project, this is what we are talking about. And then again it comes like, is it the right time to invest here? So yes, this is the right time to invest. We have just 200 units starting from 2 bedrooms, 3 bedrooms, 4 and 5 bedrooms. The starting price is almost $1 million up to $3 million. And this is what all the lifestyle is about, I always talk about a lifestyle. This Fishekhane, it's a beautiful, lovely place. We have schools, hospitals, universities, everything is next to us. And just 2-3 kilometers, we have a tunnel which joins Europe and Asia. I don't know what I say more, but I'm in love with this project. The location is beautiful, the pricing is amazing, and it's an opportunity. For all those who wanted to come here, who wanted to live here, and they wanted to feel like home, I believe this is the project. You should come here, invest here with your family and make a better future for yourself, for your kids and for the upcoming generations. And now, let me enjoy the sunset. So my investors, I believe you know about the project, you know about the location, you know about how much the cost of the apartments. And if you have any query, any concern, you can always get back to us. And we will see you in another video of Invest in High-End Projects in Istanbul with Adil Sami. And see you soon.